If you want to enter or exit the recovery mode on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, here's what you can do. So to go to the recovery mode, first we're gonna restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then over here we need to simply slide up to restart the phone. And once you restart the phone, you want to press and hold volume down button, and you want to keep holding volume down until you open the recovery mode, or to be precise, you will see the language selection for the recovery mode. So just keep holding volume down all the time, even though you can see the OPPO logo. Of course, you still want to hold volume down. And eventually, we should go to the recovery mode. There we go. Now in here, we can of course use volume buttons to navigate, or you can just simply tap on the screen. It works, that works too. So we can choose English language, and as you can see now we are in the recovery mode. If you want to exit it, choose reboot device and confirm by pressing OK. Simple as that. Leave a like and subscribe.